All right, we're on to problem number 3 with applying distributive property and identifying and combining like terms. Now this one's kind of interesting because we have a 10 times 6n plus 2 minus n. We need to now distribute this 10 to 3 different numbers or 3 different terms. So I have 10 distributed to my 6n, to my positive 2, and to my negative n. So I'm going to rewrite this so you can see it. I have my 10 times 6n plus 10 times 2 plus 10 times negative n. You need to remember that negative sign and pull that down with the n. I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. So 10 times 6 equals 60, and then I bring down my n, plus 10 times 2 is 20, plus 10 times negative n is negative 10n, because there's a invisible 1 in front of that. So that would be 10 times negative 1n. Don't forget that invisible 1. If there's just a variable or just a letter, there's that visible 1 in front of it, whether it's positive or negative. All right, so now I need to simplify this by combining my like terms. I have my 60n and I have a negative 10n. They're on the same team, so I can combine them. I'm going to rewrite this and color code it so you can see it. I'm going to bring down my 60n, my negative 10n, so I would be subtracting, and then my positive 20. So 60n minus 10n, I subtract 60 minus 10, which gives me 50, and bring down my n. And then I have a positive 20, which I just bring down as well. At that point, you can see with the colors that I have no more simplifying to do. I've combined everything that I can. Everything else is what we call on the different teams. So make sure that you've written every single step here, so that way we can see your process and you can get used to distributing and then doing the multiplication and then combining the like terms. So this is what your screen should look like before you move on to the next problem.